It's a hugely important question from the hero's archetype, from the hero's perspective, because in the end, what the hero really seeks in terms of fulfillment is first self-discovery. You need to respond to the call to be brave and to push yourself so that you discover what you're made of, what you're capable of. In my case, for example, it's like my life is destroyed. I need to have the courage to stand up again, and deconstruct and rebuild my entire life. So it can manifest in a lot of ways, but you're going to be called to do it.